What is up, guys? And as you can see here, I finished my gaming PC and now it's almost complete. It just needs the graphics card in there. I'm saving that spot for the graphics card and everything's running great. As you can see, I'm installing Windows right now. Installing. Let's see. Installation 22%. So yeah, um it came out pretty good. Everything's working fine. So I'm just waiting for my graphics card. There goes my headphones. I'm gonna get a different keyboard and mice for me to start gaming on. But it looks pretty nice. Feel proud of myself. I built it. Well, thanks for watching. Goodbye.